Alright, so I'm kids are playing basketball in the background, but earlier I took the condenser fan motor apart and I ripped the copper out. I didn't record it because I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't know what I'm doing, but it came out very easily. So safety gear, of course. I got my safety glasses. I got my ear muffs. And I got a Ryobi grinder here. I've never really used this blade before, but I'm gonna try it. I have a grinder blade, but I figure I'd see how this guy does. So it's currently December 12th, and it's 13:30, so 1:30. Oh, it's actually 13:35, so 1:35 p.m. I'm gonna record in real time how long it takes me to cut this thing open and get it opened up. So here we go. Using a grinder actually might be better.